Okay, let's say you're cruising on a motorcycle, wind in your face, trees on both sides. Now imagine the road just disappears, and instead of stopping, your bike lifts off and flies right over it. Sounds like a scene straight out of Star Wars, right? But no, this is real, and the flying machine in that clip, it's called the Volonaut Airbike, a wild new jet-powered hoverbike that just took off, literally and figuratively, and no one saw it coming. I came across this thing almost by accident. One minute I'm scrolling, next minute I see this guy gliding through a forest. No wings, no rotors, no cockpit. Just him, a helmet, and what looked like a bike that grew up and decided to defy gravity. So here's what we know, and I promise this gets crazier as we go. This airbike was built by a Polish inventor named Tomasz Patan. You might recognize the name. He's the guy behind the Jetson ONE, the personal flying pod that kinda looks like a drone you can ride. But where the Jetson ONE felt like a safe flying go-kart with a roll cage, the airbike is wild and raw. No frame, no seatbelt, no protective shell. It's just you and the sky. Let's talk design. First thing you'll notice, it's open air. And I don't mean convertible, I mean fully exposed. Nothing above, below, or beside you. That's intentional. It gives you a full 360-degree view in the air. Imagine being able to look straight down and see nothing but air between your boots and the forest floor. You ride it like a sport bike. Lean forward, grab the handles, and go. None of that lazy lounge chair position you see in those big drone taxis. This feels active, like the machine wants you to be part of the flight, not just a passenger. And despite how exposed it looks, it's smart. Really smart. It uses a custom stabilization system with a flight computer. So when the rider hovers, it stays level. No wobbles, no sudden drops, just smooth, steady float. What's running this thing? Well, they haven't revealed the exact propulsion system, but we do know this, it's jet-powered. Not rotors, not turbines sticking out, jet propulsion. And somehow it's all tucked away inside that sleek frame, which also explains why it's able to fly through tight spaces, like between trees, around cliffs, even in urban zones, without risking getting tangled up in branches or wires. Now, here's where it gets bananas. This flying superbike? It's 7 times lighter than your average motorcycle. 7? That's insane. And it's all thanks to a combo of carbon fiber construction, 3D printing, and some serious minimalist engineering. Every part is built to be light, strong, and aerodynamic. No fluff, no panels, just the essentials, and enough power to push it to 124 miles per hour in open sky. Let's say that again, 124 miles per hour in the air, with no cage around you. That's not flying, that's flying with attitude. And while it looks pretty stripped down, it's not without smart features. There are red tail lights in the back that kick in when the bike slows down, like mid-air brake lights. How cool is that? But the biggest surprise? This whole project was done in secret. Tomasz and his team didn't tease anything. No press releases, no flashy countdowns. Just boom. Here's a working flying bike, and oh yeah, we've already flown it over a forest, and people online are eating it up. Some are calling it the first true speeder bike, like what Luke rode in Return of the Jedi. Others say it's still not as flashy as something like X Turismo or the Razor Hoverbike. But here's the twist, this one actually flew in the wild. Now, let's be real. This isn't hitting dealerships tomorrow. There's no price yet, no release date. We don't even know if they plan to mass produce it. But man, what a way to drop a mic in the flying vehicle game. No more renderings, no more press mock-ups. This is a working prototype that just said, why drive when you can soar? So I want to know, would you ride this? Open air, jet power, no roof, full freedom? Would you hit that throttle and take to the skies? Or does the whole idea give you skydiving with training wheels energy? Tell me in the comments. And hey, if you're into this kind of next-gen tech that makes your brain say, wait, that's real? You know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe Technology X AI for more futuristic rides, and share this with a friend who still thinks flying bikes are science fiction. Because over here, the future doesn't walk, it flies.